The need for agile and resilient value chains puts the focus of digital transformation on multi-enterprise processes. Extending SAP process automation with blockchain allows us to automate processes in decentralized ecosystems. With SAP cross-company workflow, businesses achieve automation and differentiate through real-time transparency while minimizing process costs with paperless auditability. A no-code approach allows us to configure collaborations that extend internal processes. Use cases in many industries can benefit from these capabilities. For example, the orchestration of capital projects, the orchestration of tasks with external service providers in asset management, and many more. Let's investigate one example in detail. Putting patient health and accurate results from life science research as the top priority makes the removal of harmful microorganisms from medical and laboratory equipment a crucial requirement. The corresponding sterilization processes are orchestrated between medical equipment manufacturers, companies that sterilize the equipment that we have called sterilizers, pharmaceutical companies, and are overseen by regulatory bodies. However, today, the efficiency of these processes is hampered by manual and paper-based practices that lack transparency and reach. Sartorius and SAP joined forces to change this situation and automate the sterilization process. Powered by SAP cross-company workflow, the sterilization processes between Sartorius and the sterilization service providers can be digitized. Sartorius can send sterilization requests for approval to an external sterilizer. The sterilizer will receive a request in the workflow inbox, including all required information like the batch number and mandatory sterilization characteristics. Once the sterilization has been accepted and executed, the sterilizer triggers a workflow to Sartorius and requests an approval for the sterilization and a corresponding record. On the Sartorius side, this process can be highly automated with use of business rules, making human interventions the exception. A collaboration monitor provides the users an overview of a complete transaction history, including the involved parties and the decisions made. As the collaboration data is secured via an immutable and shared blockchain ledger, further parties like pharmaceutical companies and regulators can benefit from the transparency to verify the compliance of the equipment. To summarize, this prototype provides the basis for automated cross-company processes, paperless cross-company compliance verification, improved efficiency via a no-code approach, and real-time transparency for all parties. SAP Cross-Company Workflow is developed by the Innovation Center Network. Customers are invited to join our innovation initiative to validate and further shape this innovation. To realize this potential, SAP Innovation Services offers a productive implementation of this innovation as a services accelerator. Reach out and join SAP's journey to reinvent multi-enterprise collaboration.